So today I'm going to be showing you my little erykah badu head wrap tutorial, and yeah, it's really easy, it's really quick. My eyebrows look super dark, I'm not sure why, but anyways, yeah, it's super easy, super quick. So you're going to need 2 bonnets. Well, you can use 1, but I'm going to use 2 because I like to protect my hair. You're going to see why I need 2. You're going to need like an old scarf. Doesn't have to be big, just any cloth. And then your actual head wrap. I got this from Walmart for like $3. You just cut it. It's about this long. And yeah. So the first thing I do is lay down my edges. My baby hair using Talia Wajid. I don't know how you say this, but this is my favorite edge control. It's not edge control, it's a curly curl cream, but it's really good for my edges. So, and I have my hair in 4 regular braids under this. They're not even cornrowed, they're just 4 regular braids. And this is my go-to style for the summer because I don't have time to do my hair. So I just wear head wraps. I'm like trying to see in the mirror while I'm doing this. Then I do this right here, and I just curl it like that. Excuse my nails, by the way, but yeah. Bam. And then next, I put on the second bonnet. Oh, actually, I forgot one step. Okay. You're gonna need a wig cap. So you put the wig cap on top of the bonnet. If you have cornrows, you don't need a wig cap because your hair is gonna be super, flat. But I don't, so I use a wig cap. Okay. Then you get the bonnet. Then you just get the old scarf. This is how the scarf looks. And you just make it into a donut kind of it. You just roll it. If you have your hair out, you don't need this either also. But it's supposed to be a protective style, so why have your hair out? And then you're gonna have this little cone like this. Yeah, and then I grab my scarf like this, and then I grab my scarf and I fold it a little bit. So it's only folded like this little bit, you see? And then I place it back here like this. And then this part, I tuck it under the first bonnet. Like that. And then you just bring this and wrap around it. And just tie a knot in the back. Then now you just adjust your scarf, anything that looks kind of weird. And then you just go back on your edges and touch up anything you need to touch up. And that's how you do a quick protective style for the summer. Giving you erykah badu vibes. Subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share this video, comment any video suggestions, and follow me on my social media. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this video.